Hello friends, this is RK from RK Share Market and Investments. It's a short video on Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis. Today it was a kind of gap up opening and Nifty performed exactly how we have expected yesterday, and how it is going to be tomorrow, and how this week expiry is going to be. All these things will be discussed in this short video. This video is created for educational purpose. Consult your financial advisor before investment. First of all, thanks very much for subscribing my YouTube channel. Please do refer to your friends to help me to grow this a bigger one. So Nifty on a 5 minutes. So yesterday, as per the analysis, the CA level has to be executed if Nifty is trading about 10,600 to 600 mark, and it exactly behaved, and the target which I gave was 10,700 to 750, and you can see it exactly closed at 10,763 levels. So it performed exactly the way which I expected it to be. So tomorrow again we can expect some kind of positive move, and Nifty will all the way try to touch the 11,000 mark in this week expiry or next week expiry. So the next level will be at least this 10,950 to 11,000 mark. So that is the next expectation which we can it has to fill this gap, or it may fall back a little bit to fill this gap. So both ways it is possible. So we have to see how the option chain is looking at. And coming to the bank Nifty, so Bank Nifty is also doing pretty good, and it is also in the same level as we expected. If it is above 21,900, we can expect Bank Nifty to trade around 22,200 to 250 to 300 levels, and that is the exact range it has traded, and made a kind of faced a kind of very good resistance at this 22,400 mark and closed at 22,200 levels. And what is there for the tomorrow and next week? So we can expect Bank Nifty to come at least up to these 22,900 levels before this week expiry, or maybe in the first couple of days during the next week expiry. So 22,900 to 23,000 will be the next target for Bank Nifty to achieve upon. And coming to the option chain data, 10,000 on Nifty, 10,800 is having a major resistance. So tomorrow it will be a major level to watch upon. If it trades about 10,800 levels, we can expect it to go and touch the 11,000 mark maybe very soon. Otherwise it might fall back up to the level of 10,600, which is again the same zone. So it might you can see it might try to fill this gap. So the gap is at 10,600, so all the way it might come down. So tomorrow if it trades below 10,750 levels, or this 10,720, which is the day opening, so if it is below today's opening, which is 10,720, we can take a put option. Otherwise, if it is above this 10,800 mark, if it crosses this 10,800 mark, we can execute call option. That is on the Bank Nifty side, Nifty side. And on the Bank Nifty side, if it is above 22,400, it has to cross 22,400, before which for tomorrow's trade, if it is about 22,200 mark, we can execute call option, and if it is below 22,200, we can execute put option. And stop loss will be on the put option side 22,150 will be on the call option side 22,150 will be stop loss, and on the call option side 22,300 will be the stop loss. So the target on the downside will be 22,000, and on the upside the target will be 22,400 to 500 levels. And let me go to the today's performance on the call option side. It gave a very good returns. You can see it was a kind of open low in both specifically in Nifty, and a little bit of drop in Bank Nifty, but it achieved 8,990 levels. So both the levels gave a very good return. And for tomorrow, as discussed just ago, 10,750, if it is below 10,750 or 720, we can execute 10,750 call option, and target will be if it is about 10,800, we can execute 10,750 call option. Target will be 10,000 900 to 950 mark it can easily touch if it is above 10,800, whereas if it is below 10,720 we can execute 10,720 call option. If it is below 10,720 we can execute 10,750 call option for a target of 10,600 mark. Stop loss will be 10,800, whereas on this side stop loss will be 10,700. And on the bank nifty, if it is above 22,200 and trades about 22,200 mark, we can execute call option. Target will be 22,400 to 500 mark, and stop loss will be 22,100 or 150. And on the other side, if it is below 22,200 we can execute 22,200 put option for a target of 22,000 levels to 21,900 mark. Stop loss will be 22,300 will be stop loss on the upper side. If it goes on the upper side, we have to execute at 22,300 mark. Hope the levels are very clear, and we can expect Nifty to touch 11,000 mark and Bank Nifty to touch 23,000 mark, maybe this expiry or maybe on the 10th or 12th of this month. So expecting a very good move and positive move on this one, and wishing you all the very best and have a profitable trade tomorrow. Thanks very much. Bye.